Nature's wisdom, listening to the earth. Welcome back, little explorers. Did you know that nature is full of magic? The trees whisper secrets. The birds sing beautiful songs. And the flowers bloom with vibrant colors. Let's take a moment to connect with nature. Close your eyes and listen closely. What sounds do you hear? Is it the rustling leaves? Chirping birds? Or maybe a gentle breeze? Great job, nature explorers. Listening to nature is a super fun way to learn about the world around us. Keep your ears open and discover all the amazing sounds nature has to offer. Don't forget to share your favorite nature sounds in the comments below. See you next time. Namaste.